Good evening, all. Ira Epstein, and we're about 6:15 at night, and I just had a family emergency, actually in my house. There's a problem that I just had, and the way it's going, I have to not put out my update tonight and immediately take care of this. I've got workmen here already. These things happen. But I just want you to know I didn't want to put up a regular ad and so on. On Friday morning, of course, the retail sales will be the main number that we're going to be looking at. The market's expecting them to increase by about 0.8%. Anything that's like 5-6% would probably shake the market because they'd say, well, retail sales are great, maybe the Fed's going to move earlier. Any number that's lower than that, certainly a negative number, would get the opposite attention. This has been such a crazy week with these reports that you've got to be careful. I summed up yesterday in most of my videos by telling people, keep your hands in your pocket. It was good advice. You're getting these wild swings. Let the market tame itself down. I'll be back with my weekend updates tomorrow night. You have a great one. I'm sorry to do this, but I'd rather be here and explaining it. I'm Ira Epstein. Good trading to you. Welcome. I'm Ira Epstein, and I'm here to talk about my enhanced Bollinger Band course. Now, many of you have taken my regular charting course, and if not, you might think you know something about Bollinger Bands. As you know, Bollinger Bands are an algorithm designed to keep the market trading within it 95% of the time, and on a chart it will offer on the top part resistance, on the bottom support, and the idea is the market will travel within them. We know that sometimes it latches onto that band, goes up or goes down. Well, how do you play with that? Can you pyramid the positions off that type of thinking? Well, I've applied all three of these into 13 different videos that teach you my concept of it. And from that concept, you're able to work with weekly charts and or daily charts. The 13 videos, each about 7 minutes long. The idea here is not to put you in school forever, but to teach. Now, if you haven't tried my complete futures research, I throw that in as well. Whether you've tried this or not, I think it's worth taking a look at. I think you're going to learn something from there. That research, by the way, covers twice daily market updates for you and access to what I call window envelope numbers, which I think are very important when looking at these Bollinger Bands. The next part is a trial to our charting software so you can make your charts look the same way that mine do. It's that simple. Where do you go with it and how do you get all this? It's simple. You go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. If you go to the word education, everything you need is answered there. You can also call my staff. They'll be happy to help you get set up. I'm Ira Epstein, on the road to your education.